ASUS AiMesh node not syncing. Manual pairing process. Step 1. Before starting the manual process, it's crucial to reset the AiMesh node you wish to add. Power on the node, then press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 15 seconds until the power light starts to flash. Release the button and wait for the node to factory reset and reboot. Step 2. On your primary ASUS AiMesh router, open a web browser and go to its web interface. Log in with your admin credentials. Step 3. On the left-hand menu under the General section, click on AiMesh. In the AiMesh map or topology view, look for an option to add AiMesh node or search for nodes. Click on it to start the discovery process. Step 4. When the automatic search fails to find the node, you'll usually see an option to add a new AiMesh node manually or manual pairing. Click on this option. The interface might then guide you to connect the node via an Ethernet cable or simply continue searching in a more focused way. Step 5. Place the reset AiMesh node to close your primary AiMesh router. If prompted by the manual pairing process, connect an Ethernet cable from a LAN port on the primary router to a LAN port on the AiMesh node. This often helps in establishing the initial connection. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, you can then disconnect the Ethernet cable and move the node to its desired location.